Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Forex and how you can use fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. Section 1. What is Forex fundamental analysis? 1. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating a currency pair by looking at its economic, political, and social factors. 2. In Forex, these factors can impact the supply and demand for a currency, which in turn affects its exchange rate. Section 2. Importance of economic data. 1. Economic data such as gross domestic product, GDP, inflation, and employment data can provide valuable insight into the strength of an economy. 2. For example, if a country's GDP is growing, it may indicate that its economy is strong, which can increase demand for its currency. Section 3. Political factors. 1. Political events and decisions can also impact currency exchange rates. 2. For example, if a country has political stability, investors may be more likely to invest in its economy, which can increase demand for its currency. Section 4. Social factors. 1. Social factors such as natural disasters, terrorism, and public sentiment can also impact the exchange rate of a currency. 2. For example, if there is a natural disaster in a country, it may decrease demand for its currency as investors may view the country as a less desirable place to invest. Section 5. How to use fundamental analysis in Forex trading. 1. To use fundamental analysis in Forex trading, it is important to stay up to date on economic data releases and political events that may impact currency exchange rates. 2. You can also use tools such as economic calendars and news feeds to stay informed. 3. It is also important to have a good understanding of technical analysis to help you determine the best entry and exit points for your trades. Conclusion. That's it for our Forex Fundamental Analysis course. Remember, fundamental analysis is just one of the many tools that you can use in Forex trading. It's important to have a well-rounded approach that includes both fundamental and technical analysis for the best results. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Forex trading tips and strategies.